Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video. What's today about? Tells. What do we mean by that? Well, eventually, I think markets are going to do what Schwab did. So Schwab had this sell-off, oversold as you see down here, got back to the zero line, got all the way up to resistance, and then tested the low. You take the S&P on the right, and I think you're going to see the same thing eventually. Eventually, you're going to see this test the low. So I'm not sure if it's going to stay oversold or if it's just going to go up to here. So we're sort of stuck in a zone around that 5,300 level. But I want to do this video to show you about tells. So the tell is this. I was getting bearish on the close. I was too conservative for everyone. On the trade, the direction nailed it. So let's show you what we're talking about. We're talking about this. So we're talking about the VIX futures, the VXX, the actual notes. And we're watching this on the right. So I'm going to take the SPX and I'm going to take the VXX on the left. And on the right, the SPX. And we're going to take this. So number one, the S&P went up to resistance. That's all fine. Went up to resistance, started selling off right here at 15. Right here. Right at 3 o'clock Eastern. That's all fine. But the key is that when this on the right had another rally here, right there, when that had the rally, instead the VIX on the left formed a bull flag. It would not go lower. So we were all worried about that. Geopolitical risk about SMCI having earnings, all that. Now it's getting hit. People are a little nervous. You see the post market is down 6 points. But that rally right there was a good tell that this SPX was going to have another leg down. I didn't think it'd have another leg down that quickly, and it did. So there were a number of you that actually bought puts on that tell about the VXX. So I'm glad that worked out for you. What do I think now? Well, I think now this was the tell today, the VIX futures. What do I think the tell will be tomorrow? I think the tell will be what's going on in Japan again. So we're going to see if the Japanese market has some kind of sell-off on the opening. It did nothing at the end of the day. And on the right, I'm going to see if the bond market stops going down. If this bond market gets to that arrow, then I think sooner than later, you're going to see the ES test the lows. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.